Now I've finished installation of the new Mac OS Monterey to the SSD which I've installed, and now I would like to see how long it will take to boot up. Let's do it. Boink appears. Sound is working. Not fastest laptop in the world, but working. See, 27 seconds already. 30. It's the first boot after I've shut it down after the installation itself. Here it is. Let me type the password. So around 1 minute and 4 seconds to boot up from scratch on a freshly installed one, macOS. And it's about this Mac OS Monterey. Yeah, here it is. Anyway, as for me, it's working absolutely well with no issues. Let's look at something. Oh, let's try YouTube. Safari. We'll see. Wow. Let's type youtube.com. Loading. Wow. Okay, not working like that. Okay. Let's look at it. Oh, here it is. Oof. It's my channel, by the way. Yeah, the only problem that the last video I've uploaded 1 year ago. And let's see what we do have here. Any video, for instance, unpacking the new tools for the workshop. Package is the 5 microchips with the BIOS 24th series, which is supported by the programmer, which is came, and additionally to everything came element checkup tool. Nice. The cheapest one. However, I hope it will be useful in it. It's working. It's working. So, as usual, to be continuous.